welcome to my channel Basic Maths Concepts. So in this video you are learning about 8th bit, that is factorize each of the following. In this we have to take the square numbers that we have to substitute in this, and we have to use the identity, that is a plus b whole cube, in this first one and second one total bit that I will now explain. Yes, yeah. Now see here, first one, 8 cube plus 5b cube plus 12ab a square b plus 6ab square. So see the first one. See here, 8a cube. So 8a cube is a square number, that is 2 cube, 2a cube. You can write 8a cube as 2a cube. Yes, and we can write as b whole cube, and plus 12 a square b and plus 6a square b square is as this. Now see, now these two terms is two terms we can write as 2, both are cubes, so we can write 2a plus b whole cube. Now think, when you are getting in your mind, it is in the form as a plus b whole cube. See, two are in the same form. Now then a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. So now we have to substitute in this, like this, in this form. To substitute, we have to take that a is equals to 2a and b is equals to b. So keep this in the bracket for your better understanding. I am writing. If you know, if you are better understand, no need to write this. Okay. Now come to the substitution. So see, a is equals to 2a and b is b as it is. 2ab whole cube is equals to 2a whole cube plus b whole cube plus 3 of 2a of b is as it is of 2a plus b. So we can see 3 to the 6, 6ab. So we can write here as 6ab. So we can write this as 6ab. So we got here 6ab of 2a plus b. See, 6 to the 12. So 12 a 2a is also, so we can write as 2a square b, and 6 into b is 6, and a is 1 and b is square. So see here, we got the same two numbers. We are having same two numbers. So this is the, so with this, like this, we can prove this first one. So we can write here as, so the answer is 2a plus b whole cube. So this implies 2a plus b and 2a plus b and 2a plus b. So therefore answer is 2a plus b whole cube is the answer. So we have to take in the square cube form, that is 2a plus b whole cube. Okay, now see the second one, that's 8a cube minus b cube minus 12ab square plus 6ab square. Now see, these two are same, but here we used 3a. Here we have used a plus b whole cube, and here we have to use a minus b whole cube. Same answers will get, but we will get minus here. So now substituting, 8 cube we can take as 2a whole cube, and b is as it is b cube. So we can use. So b is as it is. So we have to, so write here formula, that is a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab of a plus b. If not it will not like this. So we can still we can multiply here. So this implies a cube minus b cube minus 3 a square b and minus 3 ab square. So like this also we can do, and like this also we can do. So I'm not simplifying like this. I'm directly doing like this. So your wish that you can do like this, in this form and this form. Actually this is very easy. So I'm using this method. Okay, see. So 2a minus b whole cube is equals to 2a whole cube minus b whole cube minus 3 of 2a of b of 2a minus b whole cube. Sorry, see here. So these implies, see here, 3 2s are 6, 6a and 6b. So 6 into 2 is 2a square b, and 6 into a is equals to 6ab square. So we will get the answer as 2a minus b whole cube. See, I said no. First one we'll get the plus and we'll get here minus. So therefore 2a minus b and 2a minus b and 2a minus b. So this is the answer of second one. That is second one. It is second one. Now see the third one, that is 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. Before the two sums and this third one is somewhat different. So now see here. Now we see here 27. In 27 we can take the cube form as 3 cube. So we can take here as 3 cube. 3 cube we can take as 27, and 125 you know that we can take here as 5 cube. 5a whole cube we can take, and minus 135a plus 225a square is as it is. So now we have to use a minus b whole cube, that is a square minus b cube minus 3ab of a minus b. So now I have used. So 3 minus 5a whole cube is equals to, so keep in the bracket, that is a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 5a. So 3 whole cube minus 5a whole cube minus 3 into of 3 of 5a of 3 minus 5a. So this implies 3 cube minus 5a whole cube minus 3 3s are 9 and 9 5s are 45. So we'll get here as 45a of 3 minus 5a. Okay, now see here, 45 minus 3, 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12, 13, 135. So we are getting here 135, a is as it is, and minus c here 45 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 4 5s are 20, 22, 25. Yes, you are getting a into a is a square, minus into minus plus, so minus 225 a square. So we'll get as it is 3 cube and minus 5a whole cube minus as it is. So this is the, so hence proved. So we can write here as 3a minus 5a whole cube. So this implies 3a minus 5 whole cube. So therefore 3a minus 5a and 3a minus 5a, 3a minus 5a minus 5a, sorry. So this is the answer of third one. Now see the fourth one, 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108 ab square. Sorry, ab square. So now 64 we can take cube form of 4. 4 cube is 64 as you know. So 4a whole cube, and 27 is cube of 3. So 3b whole cube, and 144a square b plus 108 ab square as it is we can write. Now we have to use, so here we are already minus, so we have to use a minus b whole cube, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab of a minus b. So now substituting, so keep here in the bracket that a is equals to 4a and b is equals to 3b. Okay, now substituting that 4a minus 3b whole cube is equals to 4a whole cube minus 3b whole cube minus 3 of a is 4a and b is 3b of 4 minus 3b. So now simplifying this implies here no need to write 4 cube is 64. Here we are proofing, no need to write the 64. You are directly proofing that 4a whole cube minus 3b whole cube minus 4 3s are 12, 12a, 12 3s are 36. So keep here as 36ab of 4a minus 3b. So now 36 into 4. See here, 36 into 4. 6 4s are 24, 3 4s are 12, 14, 144. So we are getting here as 144 a square b and 4 a cube whole cube minus 3b whole cube minus 3 minus 144 a square b, and 36 into 3, see here, 36 into 3, that is 6 3s are 18, 3 3s are 9 10, so we are getting 108. So minus minus plus, so 108 a and 2 b's are there, so we are getting as ab whole a square. So here we are getting same terms. So now this implies 4a minus 3b whole cube is the answer of this question. That is, therefore 4a minus 3b and 4a minus 3b and 4a minus 3b. So this is the answer of fourth one. Now see the fifth one, that is 27p cube minus 1 by 12 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. So we can write 27p cube as 3 cube and 216 we can think that we can write here as 1 by 6 whole cube. So we can take as 6 cube as 216 and minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p as it is. So here we are getting minus, so we have to use a minus b whole cube, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab of a minus b. So now substituting, now keeping the bracket that a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 1 by 6. Now writing that 3 minus 1 by 6 whole cube is equals to 3 cube whole cube minus 1 by 6 whole cube minus 3 into a is 3 and b is 1 by 6 of 3 minus 1 by 6. Now multiplying this equation, that is 3 whole cube minus 1 by 6 whole cube minus 9 into 1 by 6 of 3 minus 1 by 6. So these implies 3 whole cube of minus 1 by 6 whole cube minus 9 by 6 of 3 minus 1 by 6. So these implies 3 whole cube minus 1 by 6 whole cube minus 9 by 6 into 3. 9 by 6 into 3, that is 21 by 6. So 3 7s are and 3 2s are. So we'll get here as 9 by 2 p square. So we'll get here as p square and 9 by 6 into 1 by 6. So 9 by 6 will get. So 3 2s are and 3 3s are 1 and 1 4s are. So we'll get here as minus minus plus. So plus 1 by 4 p. So we'll get, so we got the same terms in the question. So these implies 3 minus 1 by 6 whole cube. So therefore 3 minus 1 by 6, 3 minus 1 by 6, I am splitting the terms, that is 3 minus 1 by 6. So this is the answer of fifth one.